The solar decathlon in India is a unique challenge. It is not just another design challenge for passive design or energy efficient net zero buildings. It is also about demonstrating practical solutions for climate change resilient construction that can withstand extreme events and rising temperatures. It is about solutions that are elegant and affordable, solutions that could change the face of our building industry. That is why it is totally worth the effort. You have the energy and the determination. Go for it.